how to fix you're not eligible for TikTok. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video, so let's get started right away. Now first of all, you have to be the right age. If you're too young, you cannot use TikTok. So let's say I would select 2015. I'd be 5 or 6 years old. Then if I click on next, it will say, sorry, it looks like you're not eligible for TikTok, but thanks for checking us out. So what you can do is simply just, you can just do any birthday you want to, and then you are able to create an account. But let's say your actual birthday it says you're not eligible, and I don't know, you're like 16 or 17. You should be able to make an account. And if it still says you're not eligible for TikTok, then what you can do is, first of all, you can try updating your app. I actually do have an update right now, if you're not, then your app is already up to date. And the second thing, what you can do is go to the settings, go to general, then iPhone storage, then search for TikTok. Once this is loaded up, TikTok is already right here. And then you can just offload the app. So this will just sort of like clear the cache of the app. You can do that. Once that still doesn't work, what you can do is, for example, let's say, you still get the message. Then you want to take a screenshot. So let's say you would see this. Just take a screenshot, then hit OK. Click on the question mark at the top right corner. Then select feedback and help. Click on other. Then still have a problem. And then right here, just tell them like, I am the right age, but I'm not eligible to create a TikTok account. Can you fix that, or something like that? And you can also add the photo right here. So once you've done all that, you can just report this problem, and maybe they'll fix it for you. You can try that as well. And if that still does not work, then I don't know how to fix it. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.